This is a pre-boarding announcement for Flight to Success. We are now inviting prospective students, families, and any passengers to begin boarding at this time. Please have your boarding pass and identification ready. Boarding will begin in approximately 3 minutes. Thank you.
Tal vez pronto la bandera de Venezuela se alce alto con orgullo. Tal vez mañana no llevemos más este peso sobre los hombros. Cuando las potencias despierten la fuerza viva de este pueblo que se cansa de reconstruir escombros. Cuando las voces se unan y griten basta de espera y el miedo se disipe y así podamos conquistar aquello que llamamos libertad. Libertad. Y así podamos conquistar aquello que llamamos libertad.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board Flight to Success with service from your first officer Shah. On behalf of MDIS Airlines, it's my pleasure to welcome all of you aboard Flight 501 with our destination set to success. Today we have a special journey planned as we explore the exciting destinations within MDIS. So fasten your seatbelts, for we are about to embark on an adventure of discovery and learning. So for those of you who are joining us live on Facebook and YouTube, a special welcome to the MDIS Open House 2024. We encourage you to share this experience with your friends, with your loved ones. Spread the word, gather around, and let's explore these opportunities awaiting us at MDIS. Our open house will be running till 5 p.m. So what are you waiting for? Come down to the MDIS campus right now. All right, so next stop, we've got the School of Life Sciences. So the School of Life Sciences opened its doors to those who are passionate about the captivating fields of biomedical sciences and biotechnology. And here, students embark on a journey where curiosity meets scientific inquiry, allowing them to explore the wonders of the natural world. So let's dive into the exciting research and opportunities available. I am pleased to invite Dr. Ang Swee Kim, Head of School for Life Sciences. Dr. Ang, the stage is yours.
Thank you for the introduction. And thank you for having me here. And thanks for joining the sessions. It's not showing. Right. I would like to begin by introducing myself. I'm Dr. Ang Sui Kim. I graduated from the University of Manchester in 2011 in biochemistry. I'm also an associate fellow with the Higher Education Academy UK when I was in the UK. And this is a accreditation body that measures teaching excellence of academics who are involved in teaching activities in the UK. And I was fortunate to be awarded Associate Fellow when I was there. And many academics in the UK actually have this level of qualification with the Higher Education Academy. So for those who are considering embarking on life sciences learning journey, they are thinking about those bombastic or fantastic words like genetic engineering, drug development, as well as vaccine development. Pictures here are actually our students. The Singapore government actually has invested a lot of money in to support the health and biomedical sciences industry. And recently, they've committed $19 million in continued support of research, innovation, and enterprise activities between 2016 and 2021, of which $4 billion has been invested in the industry of health and biomedical sciences. So the money is there, therefore opportunities are there. So our school currently partners with the Teesside University of the United Kingdom. So Teesside University is located at northeast of England, at the Middlesbrough County, which is north of Yorkshire. And it's not far away from Newcastle. And we offer Bachelor of Science, honors degree in biomedical sciences, as well as in health sciences, and both of which are direct honors degree programs offered at MDIS, offering unparalleled academic excellence. The word honors here carries a weight depicting the quality of training, okay, that we offer for our degree programs, which means you don't have to actually go to the UK to obtain a direct honors UK degree. And most importantly, this degree is globally recognized. A little bit more about Teesside University. You may not have heard about it. It's actually quite a good university because it has obtained triple gold rating last year for teaching excellence framework. And you may not have heard about it. This TF rating measures the quality of teaching and delivery excellence. Gold rating means the university has continuously achieved the highest quality of teaching excellence and is continuously outstanding. And Teesside University has achieved that. And not all universities in the UK have actually got this, okay? And secondly, it also ranked #1 in world universities by international students for their overall satisfaction in International Student Barometer in 2019. And this is a significant achievement as well. And university ranking-wise is also quite high, ranking #80th overall in the world at Guardian and 143 in QS for Europe, Northern Europe category. So, the teaching excellence at Teesside, one may ask, how does it translate to MDIS? What does it have got to do with you? It's their achievement, but not yours. Are you able to carry it? The answer is yes, because the syllabus is designed by our highly qualified faculty members at Teesside University, and the syllabus is up to date and is research informed, in line with the latest development in science, okay, the research industry out there. And you may ask, is their syllabus, are you able to carry it? Yes. Our lecturers are all highly qualified PhDs as well as all medical degree holders with many years of teaching and industry experience. And the syllabus is heavily focused on practical and research skills. Okay? You not only learn the theoretical part of it, but you have to be able to translate it at laboratory settings, okay, to be able to carry out your research. And we are able to carry as well because we have our labs, okay, which are specialized laboratories. We offer students hands-on opportunities to be trained in the latest laboratory techniques, okay? That means our students will gain hands-on experience in the state-of-the-art laboratories located within the school, okay? And most importantly, I need to highlight this, it's a direct honors degree, taking only 3 years to complete. So a little bit of introduction about what we have in our lab, okay? Parents or students considering our school may ask, what type of research am I going to be doing if I enroll with you? We have plate reader there, which can read many samples at one time. Okay, because sometimes you have many samples, and then you want to do high throughput analysis. You can use plate reader to read to help you to read your experimental readings. We also have gel doc system. If you run DNA or protein gels, you want to analyze your samples. We have a gel doc system to document your results. We also have a number of biosafety cabinets, and 2 of which are new, okay, costing $3,600 roughly each, okay? And this allows us to carry out research in culturing mammalian cells, for example, if you want to do cancer research studies, or to do drug screening, for example, okay? If you have a new drug you want to test on cancer cells, you carry out your experiments using this cabinet, okay? Or you want to do virus research, okay? You want to look at how the virus can attach the cell and what protein does it bind that helps the virus binding to the cell to establish infection. And after which, you need to analyze the results, right? So we have this super duper quantitative PCR machine. It's quite expensive. And this machine allows you to, for example, do expression studies, infected cells versus non-infected cells, and which particular protein or gene is being expressed. Okay, you want to see whether the gene either helps the virus to establish infection, or whether it's the cell mechanism to combat against the infection. And this qPCR machine can help you do that. It's only one example I can give you. I have many other examples which I can discuss with you later. We also have many of these spectrophotometer, because as mentioned earlier, our syllabus is heavily research focused, okay, heavily practical training focused. So which means that we have lab exams. So at lab exam settings, our students have to do the experiments and to measure the results, okay, during the exam itself, okay? So many of those to cater for lab exams. Gel illuminator, okay? My students are involved in, because at head of school, I also supervise my own project students. Gel illuminator, they are involved in DNA cloning. They clone DNA in order to make DNA constructs for the purpose of production of recombinant proteins. So gel illuminator can help them to process their DNA. They cut the DNA out from the gel, and then they proceed with purification as well as the cloning procedure itself. And lastly, last year we bought a sonicator, and this is for cell processing. Okay, if you want to do recombinant protein purification, first of all you need to break the cells. And a sonicator would help in breaking the cells, okay, using high frequency without disrupting or damaging the the product itself, which is your protein. A lot of jargon here, but later on, after this talk, please feel free to visit our lab. We have hands-on sessions, okay? Our lab technicians will be able to show you how to load DNA gel. So this is the map, if you like, for our laboratories, which are all biosafety level 2 rated, okay? Divided into 4 dedicated disciplines to carry out different types of research or teaching activities, okay? Namely, those in microbiology, for example, chemistry, cell culture, molecular biology, as well as a dedicated lab for teaching of anatomy and physiology modules, okay? The equipment that I've shown you earlier are scattered around, okay, in accordance with the teaching and research activities. And one may ask, okay, after graduation, if I complete the studies, what am I going to do? Is your degree recognized? Yes. Our graduates in the past are well placed in the industry, securing positions at various global pharmaceutical companies such as GSK, Merck, AstraZeneca, as well as Pfizer, and also in a number of local research institutions such as NUH, National Cancer Center, Temasek, as well as A-Star Laboratories. And these are only a few. We have lots more. So if you're not too keen at starting your career yet, a lot of our graduates have gone or further to do their master's or PhD studies, okay? They've successfully secured positions at a number of reputable universities, both locally, such as NUS or NTU, or globally, including those in the UK like Glasgow, Newcastle, Kingston, and one has made it to Georgetown, and quite a few have made it to Macquarie as well as Queensland, okay? And one of our recent graduates here, Tanya, has secured a position at NUS. And for our biomedical science degree, okay, if you get the degree and then you have to sit for relevant exams, that can actually qualify you to embark your journey to study a medical degree. And our graduates are also well placed in medical schools. A few have gone to study medical degree at NUS. And one of our recent graduates have secured a position at Poznan University of Medical Sciences in Poland, okay? Upudo Abhishek, look at him, so proud in his medical gown, taking a picture there. So this is the overall job prospects, okay? So biomedical sciences and health sciences graduates are highly sought after across many sectors, okay? Including medicine, biomedical science, medical technology, and clinical trials. But if you're not interested at getting involved and getting your hands dirty to be in the lab, you can actually do a number of other jobs as well, such as in technical and scientific writing using the scientific knowledge you have learned, as well as in drug registration, patenting, or monitoring, or even in medical publishing or other information services, or in regulatory affairs or sales and marketing of lab consumables, for example. Program pathways. So for those with A level, you must obtain at least a grade C in any science relevant subject or equivalent. You have to meet the requirement in order to secure you year 1 entry of our degree courses, okay? For those with local diploma, okay, in relevant disciplines, okay, you may qualify for direct year 2 entry. Later on, I'm going to show you a list of local polytechnic diploma programs eligible for direct year 2 entry for both biomedical sciences as well as health sciences program. However, if you don't already have A level or any diploma, you may consider joining our in-house MDIS Diploma, which is International Foundation Diploma in Biomedical Sciences. Provided that you meet the requirement and pass the modules, then you can go for direct year one entry. So for international students, you have to have a minimum overall IELTS score of 6.0 with 5.5 in each component, okay, or an approved equivalent. So program overview. We offer both part-time as well as full-time study mode, okay? Both take 36 months to complete. You may wonder how come part-time you can take the same amount of time as that of full-time. For part-time timetable, it's more staggered, and it's you don't have a long inter-semester break. Okay, so therefore it allows you to be able to complete within 36 months. And for year two, direct entry, you only take 2 years to complete. Okay. For commencement months, for full-time year one entry and year two entry, both we have 2 intakes per year in April and October. For part-time, year one entry, we have 3 entries per year, 3 intakes per year rather. April, August, and December. For year two entry is in January, May, and September. Okay, as mentioned earlier, entry requirement, our in-house foundation diploma or GCA level C in any science relevant subject. This is for year one entry. So this is a program overview of the biomedical sciences degree. So year one, you'll be studying those basic subjects to prepare you the foundation knowledge required for year two and year three modules, which require you to have a more stringent or more steep learning curve. So year two, you have modules like human metabolism and clinical biochemistry, which examines how your body processes different for example, if you have eaten lunch, and then you have how your body breaks down the carbohydrate, fat, and proteins, and the relevant biochemical pathways that take place in the body, okay, in processing those substances, okay, as well as looking at metabolic diseases and what happens if one of those pathways go wrong, for example. In year three, this is a significant component of your year three, a science research project which spans across the entire year three, where you'll be assigned to a supervisor, okay, with a project to carry out research, for you to be trained as a scientist, okay? And those marked with star are specialized subjects in biomedical sciences. So I'm going to show you the list of local polytechnic diplomas programs. They are eligible for direct year two entry. First of all, you have those from Singapore Polytechnic. I'm not going to read all this through with you. You can transport which one belong to yours. Next, we have Nghi An Polytechnic. Quite a few of those have been approved for direct year two entry. Then we have those from Nanyang Polytechnic, quite a long list as well. For those watching at home, after that you can pause it and have a little gander. And lastly, we have those from Republic Polytechnic and Temasek Polytechnic. Okay? And don't worry if your program is not listed here. Feel free to get in touch with us and we'll be able to advise you accordingly. Okay? You may be eligible for even though not for direct year two entry, but for module exemption, subject to university approval. So now, health sciences. The program structure is identical to that of biomedical sciences. Full-time and part-time both takes 36 months to complete, whereas for year two entry, it's only 24 months. Commencement months identical to that of biomedical sciences. Entry requirement is also identical to biomedical sciences. So program overview. So those without star marked or marked by a star are those modules, overlapping modules with biomedical sciences program. And so health sciences focuses primarily on a few components. First is the human anatomy and physiology. And secondly, it looks at or examines the human diseases, okay, particularly the cause, the diagnosis, and the treatment or intervention of those diseases. It also has a specific component about healthcare systems as well as technologies related to health sciences, okay? So you can see here, in year 3, you also have a scientific science research project, which spans across the entire 3rd year, and specialized subjects like health technologies, and one subject specifically looking at human aging and disease. Singapore actually has an aging population, so it's the right program if you are interested in human aging and disease. So eligible polytechnic diplomas for direct year 2 entry. So we have Singapore Polytechnic. Next we have Ngee Ann Polytechnic, a longer list here. Next we have Nanyang Polytechnic. These are the programs that have been approved by the module leader of health sciences at Teesside University. Lastly, we have those from Republic Polytechnic and Temasek Polytechnic. So you may ask, what are the key differences and what programs should I be enrolled in? Okay, so biomedical sciences focus more specific on science-based modules. The training on science itself is more intense, okay? Offering graduates the career opportunities in the labs, research organizations, hospitals, etc. Okay? You may end up working in the pathology lab in a hospital, okay? Examining samples coming in for you to analyze, okay? And to be able to come out with the accurate diagnosis, because doctors, they can't tell. If you have a lump somewhere and then biopsies samples taken, and then you're the one having to analyze it and also have the correct diagnosis to tell what actually is wrong with this patient. And most importantly, this biomedical sciences degree offers you a pathway into medical degree. So after sitting for relevant entrance examination. Whereas for health sciences, it covers a wide range of modules from different aspects of health sciences, not just science-specific modules. Therefore, it offers a wider range of career opportunities, including research areas, healthcare, medical industries, healthcare product manufacturing, sales, and etc. Okay? And this one, it offers pathway into master's degree in public health and healthcare management. So if you haven't got any qualification of diploma or A-level, you may consider joining our foundation diploma in biomedical sciences. For full-time mode, it only takes 6 months to complete, whereas for part-time, it's 12 months. It comprises 8 modules, some of which are more basic subjects, such as biology, chemistry, mathematics, and physics. It also has more specialized subjects, such as anatomy and physiology, molecular cell biology, and bioinformatics. Okay? All these modules have been rigorously vetted by our partner university academics to make sure that it's PACA, providing our students the important fundamental knowledge to prepare them for their degree courses. Okay? Commencement months, 4 entries per year for full-time, in February, May, August, and November, whereas for part-time, it's in January, April, July, and October. Entry requirements, you must be 16 years of age and above, meeting the below requirements. You must have at least 1 GCE O-level pass and that pass must be a science-relevant subject. Or you have to have a NITEC or higher NITEC qualification. For international applicants, you must have completed 10 years of foreign formal education. We also accept mature candidates. We have actually got mature candidates, okay? And you must have at least one IGCSE level pass. English language requirements for international students. You must have a C6 in English at GCO level or equivalent, or a minimum of 5.5 in IELTS. Or if you don't have those, you can actually come here and sit for English entrance test, okay, conducted by us. Or you have to have a professional certificate in English, or one IGCSE level pass, or online English placement test conducted by MDIS, okay? So if you're interested, please get in touch with me, and I'll be able to answer your questions further. Okay? Thank you.
All right, so thank you, Dr. Ang, for the enlightening presentation. So, School of Life Sciences serves as a beacon of knowledge and pushing the boundaries of our understanding and uncovering the mysteries of the unknown. So, from laboratories to fieldwork, our students here are the scientists of tomorrow. So for those of you who are joining us live on Facebook and YouTube, a very big hello to you guys. Welcome to the MDIS Open House 2024. So spread the word, gather around, and let's explore the opportunities awaiting us at MDIS. We still have more time. We will be running till 5 p.m. So come down right now and enjoy all the activities and the workshops here as well. Okay. All right, so here's an interesting fact for you. Did you know that you can earn Singapore dollars $1,100 by referring a friend to study